Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. This customer's Citroën C3 came in for a timing belt exchange. Let's just say that they were out in the last minute. And this shop just received a certified GM parts transmission, spray painted dirt included. And this customer came in to replace their lower ball joint just in time. And here's everybody's favorite vehicle with a misfire. Wonder why. This car came in with the wrong drain plug, a dented oil pan, and this beautiful custom-made design. And this customer had their front drive shaft break while they were driving 90 miles per hour. This customer complained about their taillight not working properly. This owner came in to get some work done because he had troubles getting his truck sold. I mean, at least he had the parts to fix it. This customer states was pulling out of the driveway when the car suddenly stopped moving. And this semi-truck rolled in because of high fuel consumption and the engine light being on. The technician found the issue to be a pretty clogged up air filter. Apparently, the truck operates in a landfill and hadn't had a filter change since new. The mechanic said that the customer had apparently tried replacing the oil by themselves for the first time. And this customer complains about their car starting up but then turns off right away. And this customer came in because they had just purchased this car the night before and forgot to bring a flashlight. The previous owner had stated mint condition and the customer ended up paying over $9,000 for this. And this mechanic was doing some super fun maintenance work, but at least today he had some extra support in the shop. This customer had just bought a BMW and thought the engine only needed a new timing chain, but this is what the mechanic ended up finding after removing the valve cover to have a closer look. And this customer stated, "My right turning signal doesn't work and engine runs a little rough."
Probably for the same reason your check engine light doesn't work.
This customer came in because they had added water to their engine after misunderstanding the add coolant message on their dashboard. Apparently, a neighbor saw him doing this and told him to stop and bring the car into a shop to get it fixed. Customer states, "Whenever I turn the fan to max speed, it sounds like I'm engaging turbo boost." This customer had just installed some new brakes and misplaced the caliper bracket holder and used a zip tie instead. They also seem to have saved on lube. And this car came in for a large evap leak and a new taillight because of a crack. The mechanic noticed that the hole went right through to the other side and was about to do a smoke test, but then checked the gas cap housing and discovered the main culprit.
There is the bullet slug.
And this customer came in stating a loud ticking sound coming from the engine, and this is what the mechanic found once he opened the motor up. Customer states, "Poor braking power after just having installed new brakes." Customer states, "My steering wheel feels kinda light." Yeah. Hey, customer states, "My brakes are squeaking hella bad." And this customer came in because they said that their Buick sounds louder than usual. This customer came in with their Volkswagen Beetle after having stated issues with the reverse gear sounding kinda weird.
Oh, that can't be good.
And this is what the gear ended up looking like. Customer states, front window will not roll down. Customer states, my steering wheel sounds like a Star Wars fight. Customer states, engine is seized. And this customer had just bought a headlight kit and installed it all by themselves, but now has an issue with their wipers turning on every time they turn on high beams. Customer states, my turn signal won't stay engaged when making a right turn. Customer states, my car drinks too much oil. This customer states that they installed a new aftermarket car alarm and now the car won't start. This car rolled in for some regular maintenance, but the mechanic noticed that it had 10 to 13 ounces of wheel weights on it. After rebalancing the tires, they all took less than 1 ounce, with no wheels being bent and all the tires being pretty new. And apparently when updating the software on your Volkswagen, you get to choose how long it should take.
Right here.
This customer was 130 miles away from home when their shock broke as they were pulling in to get gas at a gas station. Apparently, the gas station mechanic did a little quick fix for 20 bucks just so that the customer could drive their car home. And this customer was complaining that their engine was making a funny noise. They had told the technician that he does all the oil changes himself and only uses oil additives. And this is what the technician saw when he removed the oil pan. And according to the windshield sticker on this car, the last oil change was over 7,000 miles ago. And this customer came into the shop for a simple tire repair, but unfortunately ended up needing a little bit more work than that. And this customer came in saying that their air vents needed fixing or they have to apply for a flying permit. And this trailer came in because it had apparently laid down on its side, but just needed a little touching up, said the owner. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.